Hi everyone, I hope you're all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, Chainlink, it has broken out here. I think on the daily time frame, we was looking at this break and this close above to get the confirmation of a break of this pattern. And you can see right now we've closed above. So you're continuing with the trend, and this is your technical target that you're in. Okay, so from here, offered a fantastic opportunity of around about 24% long opportunity, but we did break out of this falling wedge pattern just there. Okay, and at this point, I did say to you, look, when you break out these levels of resistance, you do usually retrace to each point of contact before coming back, holding a key level of support for the continuation of the trend to retrace to each point of contact in the downtrend that you've broken out of. Okay, so just there was this whopping downtrend for Chainlink. Resistance, 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 broken out, and with that you're now in a technical target to retrace, and you can see you run into a slight bit of resistance here. So this is where you might start to put in a bit of a retracement at this point of contact here, because what it does, you run into resistance, retrace, resistance, retrace. So you might begin to struggle here for continuation, putting a retracement. Now the support could be this previous level of resistance back test a turning support, so you might be in for retracement, something like this, hold that and then break out and meet that technical target before again retracing and then coming back up the stairs and meeting this technical break target just there for Chainlink. Okay, now that is a key level of resistance for Chainlink up above this here. This is a massive level of resistance, because, and I'll tell you, if you get through that, wow, you're going to put in a new all-time high here for Chainlink, okay? And it's going to get really explosive, because if you break that, you're an impulsive break target. You're in a 1618 target. I'm going to show you exactly what that target is. And I would imagine that, I've not even looked at this yet, but I would imagine you're breaking out the all-time high here. Yeah, the 1618 is $67. So providing Chainlink can keep doing what it's doing right now, okay, breaking out this level of resistance, slowly coming up the stairs, retracement, you know, you might come in for a deeper retracement at some point, but if you can hold it and start to come up, eventually breaking out this high here at $38, that is a massive level of resistance right now for Chainlink. Forget about the all-time high, forget about anything else. This is your key resistance. You break that, you are looking at a 1618 target, and you're looking at a $67.67 price tag for Chainlink before it runs again into another level of resistance, retraces and continues with the trend. You know, it's so explosive, it might actually break that, but we'll look at that as we come to it. Okay, you might start going to the 2.272, and you might end up getting to this white trend line, which we've had for many moons, which is the impulsive 1618 off this high, because you'll be taking that high, you see, when you come up to there and you break that high. So it's all good at the minute, providing you can do what you're doing for Chainlink, okay, and holding support and breaking out and coming back to key level support for the continuation of the trend. Because like I said to you, this is a daily time frame, okay? The trend is your friend until the end. Look at this, you run into resistance, come back, create a beautiful high-low structure, an ascending triangle, and with that you're falling back into the EMAs right here. You're above the EMAs, and I would imagine the most important EMA, let's take a look, I've not even looked at it yet, on the weekly time frame. Yes, boom, that's what we want to see. We want to see ourselves closing the week above this 20, because that signifies an uptrend on the weekly time frame. Okay, you start to do something like this, come up, run into that resistance and hold that on the weekly. Wow, you're in a whopping uptrend here. Take out that high, you're in a Fibonacci 1618 target to 67.67. So yeah, so far so good. Now the worst case scenario is if you do start to see Chainlink roll and it starts to come down and loses this support just there of this W bottom right now, starts to come down and loses that, then that could spell a deeper correction and you could potentially lose that low. That's the bear case scenario. But so far so good. We're coming up, we're breaking out, we've got the news about staking, so it's very positive for Chainlink this year, okay? And this level of accumulation, this flat sideways that it went through in 2021, 2022 could be the year that we do see Chainlink rise to meteoric prices, okay? And these are the prices that I've got in the channel. I've got $209 and I've got an impulsive break there at $123 as well for Chainlink, okay? Hope you enjoyed that quick little update on Chainlink. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.